If you're broke, and I mean dead broke, and you're looking for a way to make money fast, this one's for you. I'm going to show you how you can make $250 for 1 hour of your time. Make sure you save this so you can come back and find it when you're ready to do it. And be sure to follow me. I post remote work, side hustles, and ways to make money online 3 times a day. Head to userinterviews.com and come over to the right and click sign up. You're going to sign up as a participant. Once you've created your free account, make sure to choose the study format and the study type you're looking for. $250 for 1 hour of your time.
Before you get too excited about this opportunity, let me tell you one flaw this person forgot to mention. And that flaw is, this is time consuming. Remember, it's not about making money. It's about having time and financial freedom to do the things you love by working 1, 2, or even 3 hours per day to spend time with your family or your kids to do whatever you want with them. And that's exactly what you can get with starting a simple side hustle that you can do without creating your own product, without having your own website, without shipping or fulfilling orders, or without doing customer service, without having a degree or prior experience. So you can travel the world, be your own boss, and have a brand new life of freedom. So if you want to know what that side hustle is, comment start, and I will give you the details about how to get started with the side hustle.